You may think you are the smartest person in the room, but now you have met your match. We are anonymous. We are legion. Expect us.
This is gonna take my lifetime. Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Infosec Daily. Today we'll be talking about the recent threat Elon Musk got from the Anonymous. The internet world got shocked when Anonymous posted a video threatening the very loved Elon Musk for his recent activities. In a video that was released on June 5th, Anonymous accuses Musk of destroying lives and playing rich dude's game. Since our motive of releasing this video is not to find out what has been said in the video, but rather to dissect if it's a genuine threat by the Anonymous or just a public stunt to defame Elon Musk. To see what's been said in the video, do check the link in the description section below. And if you don't know who Anonymous are, there's another link in the description where we have covered them. The video first surfaced on the internet through a YouTube channel called Anonymous on June 5th, 2021. On the channel, you can see some videos by the Anonymous. The cover page of the channel has social media links of Facebook and Instagram. When you click on the Facebook link, it redirects you to a verified page of Anonymous, one of many, with more than 10 million followers. The page looked quite active and the same video has been shared on the page. Digging further, we found a link called anewspost.com where you could get hold of the videos that has been posted by them before. Apart from the 4 anonymous videos, the website only contains posts and articles. If you go and read the About Us page, it claims that they have been brought together through the inspiration of groups like WikiLeaks and Anonymous, who have sparked a return of true investigative journalism. But no articles in the website suggest that they have been written after a true investigation of anything. As we go on, the page states that the website is a publication of Media Lab Limited. If you search for the name in Google, you can find out that it's a UK-based news agency. Its description on Google reads like this: Media Lab Limited delivers social media entertainment along with up-to-date current events and political content. Content ranges from humor, gaming, and entertainment to the most serious geopolitical and social issues of our time. Well, that's weird. Though the news has been covered by Forbes and other renowned news portal, if you properly investigate the source of the video and other sources associated with it, it doesn't look like a genuine threat, but rather a public stunt targeted towards defaming Elon Musk. Having said this, we should also keep in mind that Anonymous' way of doing things is unpredictable. That's why they are called Anonymous. Elon Musk hasn't commented or tweeted on this news so far. In the next few days, we'll definitely get to know the truth. So what do you think? Is it like a genuine threat by the Anonymous or just a public stunt to get more website traffic? Like, share, and subscribe our channel to get more updates on information security. This is me, Dorji, signing off. The first video recording still let's do a new one. Let's hope for this to be a last one, which I doubt.